Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a gratis haul for you, and it's been quite a while, so I do have a good bit of stuff to show you. It's basically like a month worth of stuff and then a little bit more than that. So I'm really excited to dive in. Gratis is super fun for me, so if you don't know what it is basically free product that you get for working at a particular place. Typically that's how you get it. Gratis means free, but for us it means free product from Sephora. So if you don't know, I do work at Sephora. That is where I get my gratis from, and it's a really nice perk of working there, but the purpose of it is really for education, to let us try the product so that we can speak to clients about it. So if you're ever going to Sephora and you hear the person's like, yeah, I use that and I use that, and you're like, how do you use all these things and how do you afford them? It's probably because they get a lot of it in gratis. So not that we aren't super product junkies like you, like I still buy way too much stuff at Sephora, but we do get this really nice perk of having some of the products given to us. First things first, it just looks like a big bag of junk, but I got some really good things in this. So really quick, I want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please leave me a big thumbs up before you go, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. I do have a giveaway coming up really soon too. That will be later this week, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And without further ado, let's get into it. All right, right on top, I see the Shiseido Clarifying Cleansing Foam. I love the Shiseido brand. They have a lot of really good products. This one in particular, I actually have not tried, so I'm excited to do so. I have been having a few more breakouts than normal, so this kind of comes at a great time, and I love receiving skincare. I love skincare so much, and it's definitely pricey at Sephora as well, so it's a good bonus. Next we have from Glam the Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. I have sampled this and tried it out. This also has, I believe, hemp seed oil in it, but it is a nice rich cream. It is especially great for anyone who is very dry or very sensitive, and I cannot wait to add this to my routine. Glam is definitely a favorite skincare brand of mine. Another Glam product. So this is actually the Glam Youth Mud. This one has been slightly reformulated. It used to be called Tingle Exfoliate, but now it is the Youth Mud Glow Stimulating Treatment, and it is one of their mud masks. My personal favorite mask from Glam is the Super Mud. I love that one so much, but I'm definitely excited to give the Youth Mud a try. I got from Lord Jones the High CBD Formula Body Lotion. Ooh. Oh, this one's the good one too. So it has 100 milligrams of CBD in the bottle and 2 milligrams per pump. Great. So you get 50 pumps in here. That's pretty nice. I have not tried this out. Oh, look at this. It's got a little tab on it. I also didn't show you the bottle because, you know, I'm a crap YouTuber. So that is 1 pump. I think this is the scented formula. They have a scented and then they have an unscented. It definitely smells like earthy. Like, it literally smells like I stepped into the woods, but like in a good way. All right, so I'm excited to try this out and see how the CBD helps on my skin. I've been interested to try out some more CBD products lately. I tried a gummy not long ago, and it definitely had like a really relaxing effect, so I'm excited to see what the lotion will do. An Old Faithful, I got a Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. That does not need a lot of explanation, I would think. Everybody loves that powder. It's great for setting your makeup, especially under the eye, and set your concealer, but what else can I say? It's really good. I got from Dr. Dennis Gross the Dark Spot Sun Defense Sunscreen, and it is an SPF 50. Very excited about this. I love Dr. Dennis Gross, especially the peel pads for face. I love those, and I needed a new sunscreen, so this comes at the perfect time. I got an Hourglass Caution Mascara. I believe I actually have one of these on hand. I don't even know if I've used it. That's pretty bad. I tried the formula out in store, but I don't believe I've tried this with the actual wand, so I am excited to have that, and I'll definitely have to try at least one of them really soon. A couple minis from Amore Pacific, the Time Response Eye Reserve Cream and Skin Reserve Cream. So 2 little mini guys of this. This cream is very expensive. I believe the eye is maybe $260 for the full size. Crazy, but I can't wait to try these out because Amore Pacific to me has some of the best quality skincare that you can get, especially that you can get at Sephora. I used to have a favorite Future Response eye cream from them that was the little dual one. It was day and night. It was $150, but it was literally the best eye cream I had ever tried, and they actually stopped making it. Sad day for me. So I am excited to try out the Time Response. Sorry if you guys can hear that. I'm like losing my voice for some reason. I don't know why, so please excuse that. I got 4 of the Dr. Dennis Gross Ferulic plus Retinol Wrinkle Recovery Peel. I am super excited to try those out. I also got a box of 3 of the Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peels. Like I said, these are the ones I was telling you guys I absolutely love. I also have Gentle and Universal, but I find that my skin can tolerate any of it. Oh, another thing from Dr. Dennis Gross. This is the Ferulic Plus Retinol Fortifying Neck Emulsion. Ooh, I've actually been really curious to try something specifically for the neck recently. I really want to like prevent that skin from becoming, you know, loose and saggy, because that's what happens over time. I got the Murad Oil and Pore Control Mattifier, Broad Spectrum SPF 45. This would have been great for me like 2 months ago, right when summer was starting, because that's usually when I get oily, but now I'm gonna go back to my like super dry skin for winter. I have, what is this? The Sephora Bow Brow Full Brow Effect in Universal Deep. Okay, I don't actually offhand know what this is. That's really sad. Oh, so it's like a thicker pencil. I don't normally go for brow products that are like this chunky of a pencil. Really super creamy. Okay, so it's not that deep. I could definitely use this shade for sure. It's very creamy, very light. So I feel like this is probably a good one to kind of fill in sparse areas in the brow. For me, I have to draw in so many like hair-like strokes that I don't know how much this is going to come in handy, but I will definitely have to give it a try. From Dior, the Hydra Life Glow Better Fresh Jelly Mask. I'm definitely very excited for this mask. I'm super curious to try this one out. Dior Backstage Face and Body Primer. Ooh, I can't wait to try this out. From Sephora Collection, the Ultra Glow Serum. Ooh, so it's got vitamin C and vitamin E Super Glow Serum. That looks really interesting. It kind of looks like it would be an oil when you first look at it. It's got a really nice light texture and it sinks in super fast. It doesn't have any type of a scent, and I believe all the Sephora Collection products are clean as well. So if you're looking for affordable clean skincare, you can't go wrong with this. I got from Laura Mercier the Caviar Volume Mascara. I definitely have not tried this one out. It is a new mascara from Laura Mercier. I've heard other people that I work with say that they actually really love that one, so I'm definitely keen to give that a try. Youth to the People, the Superberry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. I actually think maybe I have a big one of these. I'll have to look and see. I don't know if I've tried it yet. I get so much skincare and I don't want to open it all at once and then like waste a bunch of it. So I tend to kind of put things to the side and then eventually get to them, and yeah, I need to do better. I got also from Laura Mercier, this is a Rouge Essential Lipstick in L'Orange. Ooh. It almost looks like it has a pinky tint to it. Yeah, it definitely does. Interesting. Whoop, she's a bright one for sure. The formula of these are so super creamy. From Bobbi Brown, I got the Black Ink Longwear Gel Eyeliner. So it's a little eyeliner in a pot. Definitely intrigued to try this out. I've heard really good things about that liner. From Dr. Dennis Gross, the Clinical Grade IPL Dark Spot Correcting Serum. It's got L-ascorbic acid, kojic acid, and lactic acid. Here you go. So I actually have a couple little spots from when I went to the beach where even though I was wearing like tons of sunscreen, it just, you know, the sun damage gets through. So I've got a couple spots that I definitely want to try that serum on and see how it works. Some minis from Becca, the First Light Priming Filter. I think I have a big size of this. And then the Becca Skin Love Brighten and Blur Primer. No offense, because I'm grateful to get anything, but I'm not really into like tiny sizes like this. When you have so much, like it's the last thing you're gonna reach for, and I'm just like, I throw them to the side and forget that I have them. Becca Champagne Pop. Now these guys, even though they're tiny, are actually a really good size considering that it is a highlight. So this one I'm very excited for. And then I have one more little bag. This I'm super excited for. This is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. This is $85 for this little tube, but this exfoliator is so amazing. It will literally smooth out your skin. It helps with pores. It's so good. Such a good exfoliator. I got from Verb the Ghost Oil. So this is a smoothing moringa blend. It's a weightless hair oil. I have used almost the entire Verb Ghost line before, and I really like it, especially if you're like me and you have fine hair. It's not an oil that will weigh it down. Your hair will still feel really light, really weightless. A skincare favorite, this is the Clinique Moisture Surge. You've probably seen this pink gel many times. So this one I actually love, but a lot of people confuse it. It's not technically basically like a moisturizer. It is a lightweight hydrator. It's a completely like gel water-based formula. So what I love to do with this is do all my skincare, and then once I have done everything, I'll take a little dab of this and spread it over my face as the last step, and it really seals everything in and adds that water-based hydration to the skin. It's just one of those steps that you don't know you need it until you do it, and then you're like, oh my god, my face has never been more smooth and plump. And yeah, you'll fall in love with that one for sure. I got from Tarte the Creaseless Concealer. I'm not gonna lie, I hate this formula. Like, creaseless is like the last thing that this concealer should be called. It is creasy, it is creaseful. Not to be rude and ungrateful, because Tarte has so many of my favorite products. No, this is like thick, it's oily, it's thick. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't like this concealer. I have from Smashbox the Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I have not tried this guy out yet. I actually knew I was getting this, so I've been waiting on this one. But we actually got 3 foundations that I'm super excited about. So we got the Smashbox. I also got the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Foundation. I got mine in the shade 10 Cool Pink, or 10 CP if you will. I also got the Milk Flex Foundation, which is the stick. I got mine in the shade Snow, and I'm so excited for this. I literally took a tester of this one day at work and smoothed it on completely bare skin and just like tapped it on, and it is so smooth. It literally camouflages pores. It makes your skin look like so perfected. It's crazy. I don't know about wear time because I haven't really worn it and set it and done the whole 9, but I'm so excited too that I'm probably most excited for the Milk one, and I never use foundation sticks. It's not something that I reach for a lot, so hopefully this will be the one that I fall in love with. And that is the very last thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this little quick gratis haul. Let me know if you want to see me try out any of these products in a video. I know most of them aren't like spanking brand new, so I totally get it if it's like it's a little bit old, or maybe you just want to know what my thoughts are. So let me know what you are interested in, and I appreciate you guys watching so much. I hope you enjoyed. Again, like I said, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye!